far cry from means very different. For example, the movie is a far cry the book. Take it easy means relax or rest. For example, the doctor told her she should take it easy for a while. Piece of cake means easy or simple. For example, the boy found the project to be a piece of cake because it was incredibly easy. On the ball means be alert or active. For example, she really is on the ball. She's bought houses at auctions, so she knows what she's doing. Once in blue moon means somewhat ill or gloomy. For example, once in a blue moon I go to the cinema, only when there's a film I really want to see. Hit the sack means go to bed. For example, I've got to get up early tomorrow, so I'm going to hit the sack. Up in the air means not yet finished. For example, with his contract expiring during the summer, the defender's future is up in the air. Go bananas means to become extremely angry. For example, the crowd went bananas when the concert began. In touch means in contact or in communication. For example, they keep in touch by email. Whole 9 yards means everything. For example, when I was little, my family always had lots of pets: dogs, cats, hamsters, fish, rabbits, the whole 9. A thumbs up means that's good. For example, it looks like it's thumbs up for their latest album. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.